Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to download the latest version of Windows 10. If you get this error, don't worry, I will show you other way to download the latest version of Windows 10. Open your favorite browser, type here Refuse, then hit enter. Open this first link or this first website. With this software, you can download Windows 10 without any problem. Scroll down. Here is refuse.4.5.exe. It is standard. Download this one. Click here. Open your Refuse or DirectCam on download folder. Here we have Refuse. You can close your browser. Double click on Refuse. Click on yes. Here is select. Click in this drop down. Select download. Now click on download. Here select your Windows. If you want to download Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you want to download Windows 10, select Windows 10. Click on continue. It is the latest version of Windows 10. Click on continue. Windows 10 Home Pro. It is okay. Click on continue. Select your language. I want to select English International. Click on continue. You can download 64-bit and also 32 bits. Anyone you want related on your system, then download. If you want to know your architecture on your system, right click on this PC, click on properties. Here you can see system types. It is 64-bit for me. I want to download 64. Click on download. Select one drive or one location to download this file or this ISO. I want to download on desktop. Click on save. The downloading is start. When it is complete, click on close. Here we have Windows 10 22H2. It is the last version of Windows 10. If you want to bootable Windows 10, follow this step. Plug in one USB flash, 8 gig or above 8 gig. Again, open Refuse. Click on yes. Now it is by default detect your USB. Click on select. Find this Windows 10 ISO. Click on open. Leave everything as default. Click on start. Make sure to select all of them. Click on OK. If you get this error, again click on OK. This step will take a few moments to copy all the file on the flash drive. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. When it is complete, click on close. Open this PC. Unplug your flash drive. Again, plug in. Now your flash drive is ready to install Windows 10. If you want to install Windows 10, then watch this video. Have a good day. See you soon.